the absolute error is equals to 1 over 2. Then absolute error is equals to what? 2 into 1 is 0. Here the 0. Say point. 2 into 10 is 5. So the answer will be 0.5. Then the formula for when we're finding the lower limit, we say L, the lower limit, is equals to the true value minus the absolute error.
Okay,
So
that is great.
When we hear the word the lower limit, we have to subtract.
That's good.
Yes. We have to subtract. So we're going to say, let's say for example, we have the same 24. So which means we're going to say lower limit is equal to the true value is 24. 24 minus the absolute error that we found, which is 0.5. So when we subtract these two, what do we get? I subtract here. 24 minus 0.5. So the answer we get when we subtract is the same that there's a 0.
No, there's 0, then to be 10, eh? To be 10.
Yes, to be 10, we get a 1. So it will be, the answer will be 23.5. This is the lower limit. Oh, the lower limit, yes.
Okay.
Then, so I hope I'm explaining correctly.
Yes, you are correct.
I can even teach my friends.
That's good. That's great.
Okay, so like UL stands for the upper limit. So we're going to say the upper limit is equals to true value plus absolute error. When we hear the word upper, which means it's up, so we're supposed to add, which means it's more than, so we're supposed to add. Lower, we're supposed to subtract.
So are you going to use the same example for 24?
No, I'll change.
You change it? Okay.
Yes. So we say 55. The number I've used. Okay, say 55. No, since I used 24, so let me also use 24.
Either way.
So we're finding the upper limit. We're going to say it's equals to the true value is 55 centimeters, measured in centimeters. So say 55 plus the absolute error we found 0.5.
For 55?
No. Okay, so the absolute was let me just put 24.
Does 24 and 55 have the same?
Yes, they have the same one.
Why?
Because 55 is a whole number. So 24 is also a whole number.
So they have the same?
So they have the same absolute error.
Okay.
Because it's always 1 there, 1 over 2.
Okay.
Because it's a whole number. So it also has the same as 0.5.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to change. Okay, so we're going to say upper limit is equals to, when you add these two, we're going to say that it's the same as a 0 here. So say 55.5. 55.5 centimeters. So in short, what we have to the upper limit, it's going to be more than what we have to the lower limit. Because to the lower limit we're subtracting, and to the upper limit we're adding.
That is good. Keep it up.
And then, so I'm not done.
You're not yet done?
I'm not yet done.
Okay.
So those are the formulas. Okay. So now, there's this. For example, if they give you a question saying, we have 25.5. Then they say that you find the absolute error. So we're going to say AE, not AE stands for absolute error, is equal to the least unit of measurement over 3. So this one is going to be different from the one that we're doing. Because this one is a decimal number, it's not a whole number. It's a decimal. And its decimal place is 1 because there's one number here. Unless if you had, for example, if you had 0 there, it would have been, you should
Two
have
decimal.
2 decimal places. And when it's 2 here, which means we have 3 decimal places. Now we just have 1 in this case. So we're going to say absolute error is equal to the least unit measurement. This unit measurement will be, since it's a decimal number, we'll say 0.1 because it has 1 decimal place. And say over 2. Yes. So we're going to say 0.1 into 2. Okay, say 2 into 0, it's 0. 2 into 1 is 0. Then 1 is 0 there. 2 into 10 is 5. So the answer will be 0.05 centimeter.
That is good.
Still explaining. Listen now.
We are really learning today.
Yes. So the lower limit is equals to CV stands for true value. Then for lower limit we always subtract since it's less than. So we say minus the absolute error.
We got
The absolute error we got was 0.05.
Okay.
So you say the lower limit is equals to a true value is 25.5 minus 0.05. The absolute error. So say the lower limit is equal to 25.5 minus 0.0. Okay, let me just write it this side. Say 25.5 minus 0.05, like that. So I'm subtracting, it's the same as you have a 0 here. So
yes.
As
a placeholder.
As a placeholder. So we'll say 0 and 0 minus 5, we'll get a 1 from there. You can't say it can't. So we'll say 5. It's 4 there. Point. So the lower limit would be 25.45 centimeter.
Okay.
Yes. This is perfect.
We now go to
upper limit.
We go now to upper limit.
Yes.
Okay.
Since we are doing the lower limit, so we go to upper limit. It's equals to true value. TV stands for true value, not a TV that we watch.
Oh yeah.
True
I get your point.
True value. So we're adding. We always add since it's more than. So we say plus the absolute error. Absolute error. So we say UV, which is upper limit, is equals to 25.5 plus 0.05, which is the absolute error. So we say 25.5 plus 0.05, which is going to be 0 plus 5 is 5. So our lower limit was 24. No, it was 25.45 centimeter.
That was our lower?
Yes.
And our upper?
Our upper is 25.55 centimeter.
You can underline it. You underline it. So this marks the end?
This marks the end.
To our...
Yes.
This is good.
How I've understood the topic.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
This is good. This is good. Thank you.